Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Except for a few of my friends who just said, be yourself, just be yourself, just be yourself. I don't know what that is supposed to mean. Keep calm, like literally. Deep breaths, keep calm, keep your cool.
Okay, so Shumona, welcome to India Forums. कैसे हो आप?
I'm good, thank you for having me.
Okay, तो खतरों के खिलाड़ी 14 कैसे पॉसिबल हुआ है? कैसे आपको शो के लिए अप्रोच किया गया?
I think most years क्योंकि मैं बिजी रही हूँ काम के साथ तो वक्त नहीं मिला पहले और इस बार वक्त भी था. थिंग्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुली म्यूचुअली सब कुछ वर्कआउट हो गया अच्छी तरीके से और आई थिंक मेरे अंदर भी आई वाज लाइक इट्स टाइम टू री अवेकन द एडवेंचर जंकी इन मी क्योंकि पहले भी मैंने काफ़ी लाइक आई हैव इंडल्ज्ड इन एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स आई लाइक दैट. तो काफ़ी टाइम हो गया था नहीं किया था लाइक वक्त हो गया करते कुछ चैलेंजिंग कुछ नया जस्ट टू पुश एंड सी हाउ फार वन कैन गो.
Was the show offered to you before? If yes, why did you reject it? And why did you say yes for it now?
It has been offered before, but I didn't have the time, like I said, because I was busy. तो क्योंकि बहुत लंबा ड्यूरेशन होता है क्योंकि आप देश के बाहर रहते हो इन सम अदर कंट्री तो उतना एट अ स्ट्रेच टाइम दे देना कभी कभार पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता. इस बार पॉसिबल था तो दे दिया.
What preparations have you done?
Nothing much really, honestly. I've been doing a lot of shoulder rehab because it's an old injury, so I was sort of working on it, trying to make it stronger so that I shouldn't feel guilty that, I couldn't do it only if my shoulder was stronger. I don't want to say that to myself. So hence I think a little bit, I've been into fitness for a while now. तो ऐसा नहीं कि अभी मैंने जिम शुरू किया है. I've been working out since like 2011 or something. So it's been a long journey of fitness. But हाँ थोड़ा सा आप in terms of stamina के लिए थोड़ा सा cardiovascular and on exercises and stuff, you just amp it up a little bit just to the little boost that you need.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी is all about mental and physical strength. If you had to rate yourself, what would you rate?
Mental strength?
Yeah, and mentally and physically.
I know. Honestly, I feel anyways on the whole ratio of physical strength in the show is only 30-odd%, rest 70% is mental strength. So out of 10, mental strength I'll give myself 8.5, 9. Physical strength, I mean, if not for the show, it would have been better, but I'll give myself a 6, 7.
Still good. Is there any contestant?
I'm above average. I've always been.
You said you're working since 2011, so obviously तो हो गई. Is there any contestant with whom you're friends?
I know of Karan because we have worked on a show together many years ago. बड़े अच्छे में करण ने रोल किया था तो हमने तब काम किया था. This is what 2012 या 13. So I'm literally seeing him now after almost 10 years now. So he's the only one that I know in person जिसके साथ मैंने काम किया. बाकी everyone I'm meeting for the first time. So
any tips and tricks you have received?
No. Except for a few of my friends who just said, be yourself, just be yourself, just be yourself. I don't know what that is supposed to mean, but be yourself. I said, yeah, जब सांप के साथ लेटना पड़ेगा ना तब पता चलेगा. Be yourself.
Which stunt are you more excited for and which are you scared for?
I'm really excited and looking forward to doing some car stunt. बहुत ज़्यादा. Because I love driving and doing like a road trip and all. पता नहीं. And also कहाँ real life में आप ये सब करोगे car stunt and all, like. तो थोड़ा I don't know, this wanting to be a hero is I don't know, like I've always wanted to do action. So I think यही वो सब fulfilling your bucket list basically. So I really want to and I'm looking forward to doing a car stunt. And I think the creepy crawlies के साथ करना, I mean, it's not डर. It's about is that I don't know if there's a word for this.
Understandable. Okay, chalo. Choose one. Creepy crawly stunt or shock stunt?
Wow. I think creepy crawly.
You'll choose that. You'll choose to do that. Okay.
Yeah, that's me.
Always.
Always.
Any phobias or fears you have?
No, not really. No.
What is your mindset towards the game? What will be your strategy?
Keep calm, like literally. Deep breaths, keep calm, keep your cool. Yeah.
Okay, last question. How excited are you to meet the host and work with him?
I'm very excited and looking forward to meeting him after a while. Because we have both met on a very different platform, on a very different stage, where he's been my guest, and now I am on his show where he's my host, and it's the other way around. So I'm really looking forward to that, seeing the headmaster. Rohit Saran Danda lekin aaye. Show me his stick now. So yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Mona, for this
Thank you.
lovely conversation.
Thank you so much.